this or that. Stay tuned, I'll let you know. Hey everybody, it's O-Team from O-Team TV, and do you want to know where the best place is to find the best price on one of these portable washing machines that have a spin cycle that spins your clothes not dry but practically damp. They're damp when they come out. All you have to do is hang them up to dry overnight and you're done. Hi everybody, I'm going to be doing my review on both the Zeny portable washer and dryer. I already have a video on that, so go back and check out my video on this if you want to know in detail how to use it. That's what that video shows you. But since then, I've gotten the BCP portable washer and dryer. BCP stands for Best Choice Products. So what I'm going to do is give you my opinion, my review. This is not a sponsored video. I'm going to give you my own opinion since I've been using both of these for, this one for a couple of months and this one for about a month. I'm going to give you my opinion on which one I feel works better for me and the way I have it set up. I know I've had some people make comments on the different ways you use it, and I'm just using it the best way that works for me in my current situation. Okay, first, this is the Zeny. Like I said, I have a video on this one already, so you can go back and check the video. I'll leave the link in the description box so you can go back and check out this one. And this one is the BCP. So far what I've noticed with the BCP is, of course, the size. This size for the BCP is 13 pounds, which is 8 pounds wash, 5 pounds spin. And the Zeny is 9 pounds total, 9.9 pounds combined, 5.5 pounds wash, 4.4 pounds spin. So this one is a considerable amount smaller, even though the numbers don't show it. It is, when you get ready to wash, yeah, it makes a difference. You can only wash maybe a pair of jeans, shirt, some socks in this one. And this one you can fit a couple pair of jeans, couple shirts. You can put probably 2 outfits in this one and 1 outfit in this one. One thing I've noticed about this one, well, let me show you. You can see that this one, hold on, let me readjust and I'll show you the top part of this. Okay, the top part of this one, you can see has 2 water inlets, which is a difference from the Zeny. The Zeny only has 1. All these controls are just about the same, which there's a setup that you can use where you can have water running into the rinse and spin as you wash over here. You can wash here and have your spin and rinse going at the same time. You can have both of them going, water going into both of them at the same time. That's why they have 2 water inlets. Another thing I noticed about this one does not have a lint trap that you have to take out. It is automatically inside. It's built inside. I don't know if you can see it. Well, nope. I have to readjust just to get you to see that one. But it's inside. Oh, there it is. Like down here. That little thing with the screws down in there is the automatic lint catcher. And this one, oh, I like that better because I don't have to remember to pull the lint thing out, clean it out, put it back in. This one here has this safety lid too. I like that one better than, well, not better, but I like this one as opposed to the Zeny. The Zeny does not have this safety lid here. They all come with this here, but this one has an extra safety lid. And along with, yeah, when you raise this, the spinner stops. The Zeny does the same thing. But besides that, the size is a lot better. You can really tell the difference in the size when it comes to this one and this one when it comes to how much clothes you can wash at a time. I mean, I'd rather be able to wash a little bit more than just wash one outfit. I'd rather be able to wash 2 outfits. And I guess everyone would. Let me see, another difference is, let me look at my notes here. Both of them show that they're available online on Amazon, but I'm gonna tell you, don't buy them on Amazon. Don't buy them on Amazon. This one says it is, for the Zeny, $132.96. When I bought mine before the pandemic, it was online for $80, I think. You can check my Zeny video too. It says the price and the link that shows a comparison on there. This one here on Amazon shows it at $365. I'm telling you, I would never pay $365 for this one. No. Either way, it's not a bad one. It's just that I know that you can get it cheaper. You can get it cheaper, and if you stay to the end of my video, I'll tell you where I got this one cheaper, a lot cheaper than $365. Like I said, I've had a few comments. You know, people telling me, well, just read the manual and you can do it this way and control it this way and that way. I do what's best for me and my setup. And I also had a couple of people try to link their videos to my videos. Now, if you do that, I'm just going to delete it. So don't link your video to my video because you had a problem with this product. I don't work for this product. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just giving you my opinion on how I use it and how much it costs me and the reason I use these. Like I said, that's in my Zeny video too. But the reason I'm using this is, I got it right before the pandemic. I got the Zeny. So, like I said, don't link your videos to mine and say, you know, negative things like, just watch this is the problem I have with this and that. Because it may be an individual problem. It may not be a problem with the product. So, if you do, like I said, I'm just going to delete it because I'm just trying to help people find ways to save money. That's all. And this is one, actually both of them, I found as a way to save money in your everyday life. Everybody has to wash clothes. Everybody uses laundry detergent. Just trying to help people, trying to find a way to save money. This is a little different setup. Like I said, I'll have my Zeny video. You can go and check that out. And I set this one up a little, the BCP up a little different because of my current situation. If you watch my Zeny video, you will see that I use this one up on the countertop. This is how I use this one ever since I got this one. Okay, the BCP, I use this one on this little table that I purchased. There we go. On this little table that I purchased because I needed it to be able to drain into the toilet. And you can see how I have the drain going into the toilet. The reason I wanted to drain into the toilet versus the Zeny draining into the sink is because I did not like to, if you remember, if you saw my Zeny video, you see this little setup right here. If you didn't watch it, go back and watch it and look for this little setup right here. I didn't really like this. So that's the reason I decided to set up my BCP to flow into the toilet. Like I'm showing you here. There we go. Whoops. There we go. It's flowing right into the toilet. And it has a gravity drain, just like the Zeny. So I had to have it up off the floor. I didn't have any space up on the countertop. So I'd have it up off the floor and have it drain into the toilet. So this is a little different setup. It just plugs right here in the wall unit. I mean the wall plug, just like the Zeny did. Okay, I'm back. What I was going to tell you is the place that I found that has the best price for both of these. Facebook Marketplace. I see these all the time on the Facebook Marketplace for, this one I've seen for as low as $40 or $50. This one I saw just the other day for $60 with the drying rack. So watch your Facebook Marketplace. It'll save you a lot. This one is listed right now on Amazon for $365. Check your Facebook Marketplace, whether it's used or new. I bought this one new on the Facebook Marketplace for $90. So it's a heck of a lot cheaper than $365. This one here is listed on Amazon right now for $132.96. So go to your Facebook Marketplace in your local area and just type in portable washing machine or portable washer. I'm sure somebody's selling either one that they have used or like this one. This one was a what do you call it? A pallet, damaged pallet sale, where the pallet was damaged, but the product wasn't. But either way it goes, this was brand new. So, like I said, the best place to find one of these, if you live in an apartment, if you have an RV, well, kids are not in college dorms right now, but if you have a child going back to college, or if you just you don't want to use your big washing machine for just a couple of items, you can use one of these, hang it up overnight. There you go. And the main reason I'm glad I have mine is due to the pandemic. We have a washer and dryer downstairs in our apartment building. I don't want to go and use a washer or a dryer that somebody else has used either. Who knows who has the COVID-19 nowadays? So I'd rather use my own private, even though I have to hang it up. That's fine. It's not costing me any money. And I know what's being washed and how. I know that I don't have COVID, so I know I'm not getting it from somebody else. Period. That's just my way of thinking. I would rather not be exposed to somebody else's germs, and we don't know if you can get it off of clothing or not. That's just me. Oh, stay tuned for my next video. How I'm doing my laundry during the pandemic. I think it makes a difference in how you do your laundry during the pandemic, and I'll explain why in my next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and come back to see more saving tips, more ways you can save in your everyday life. Please hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload my next video. Goodbye for now. Y'all have a good day. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you like my videos, if you use either one of these products, how you like them, even if you don't like them. Just let me know that you watched my video. It's fine. I'll appreciate the comment.